Let's have a look at the active and passive voice. Now, to understand the active and passive voice, we need to know what the subject and object are in a sentence. So if we have a look at this sentence here, then we can see that they is the subject. It normally comes before the verb. And issues, well, this is the object, and it normally comes after the verb. So a sentence with the word order, subject plus verb plus object, well, this is a sentence in the active voice. But what if we put the object before the verb? Well, that would mean that we put the object issues at the beginning of the sentence, and to complete the sentence, we need to write are discussed by them in the meetings. So a sentence with the word order object plus verb plus subject, well, this is a sentence in the passive voice. We form the passive voice with the verb to be. Here it's are because issues is plural. And the third form of the verb, which we sometimes call the past participle. If we want to include the subject in a sentence in the passive voice, we need the preposition by beforehand. So issues are discussed by them in the meetings. To make questions, we just put the verb to be before the object. So are issues discussed in the meetings? And to make negatives, we just put not after the verb to be. So issues aren't or are not discussed. Okay, this is just a very short introduction to the passive voice. I hope that you found it useful.